Nigerian madness don't cross border, my people. Hey, I don't even know who allowed this one make it enter Ghana. No be smart, you know. Now, so one particular video don't reach me. They say, man, Aproko, you need to share this one. I say, kilo shele. Hey, Naija guy don't enter Ghana when they display madness. And according to, because they say they even carry in passports so that they go free identify, and they say name na Okoli Christian Daniel no so Igbo. And they even find Igbo in their help. They find her inside one of his things. This guy don't create. In fact, you know understand. The guy don't finish. He's wasted already. He just a misbehave. If they ask her A, he go just shout 11. If they ask her 11, he go just shout Z. That's what this guy on the own. Hey, my mother is a prostitute. Even they tell the people where they talk to them, say, make they shut up, make they police. I say I must bring a corner aside. Because the kind is where they hear. They say he lose his father. They shout, say yes, so say he want bring his father back to life, or say they kill his father without permission. I'm going to beg. I don't want to know all the things we talk so that when I go, you understand, feel the sweetness about yourself. Put the video, make them watch.
Let's see. I think the best thing is to take him to the This one gets this one very well. This is one of our brothers.
Not brothers, sir. Please, I'm a mad person.
They brought him here in the palace.
I'm a mad person.
The guy is growing
I don't
mad.
want to kill my mother.
Here his passport.
My mother is a prostitute.
Some great, wonderful Ghanaians.
I'm not really wonderful. They are useless Ghanaians.
And they picked him up.
They came to my house with Awusa yesterday. I'm not scared of this man. He's a small boy. He killed my father. I'm not scared of him. Shut up, sir. Shut up, sir.
So that,
stop lying. Stop lying. They want to kill me. So by 9 o'clock. USA, help me. I'm a child of Israel.
Psychiatric hospital now.
You're mad.
Yes.
Your children will visit psychiatric hospital.
So how long have you been in Ghana?
I've not been in Ghana, sir.
Huh?
I've not been in Ghana, sir.
You've not been in Ghana?
Yes.
So what are you doing here?
I don't know, sir.
Why you don't know?
I don't know, sir.
When did you come here?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know?
Yes, sir.
So which area do you live here?
I don't know, sir. Shut up.
Thank you. And this is the Igbo?
Yes, that is making me to run mad, sir. Please, I want to run mad more. But anyway, you take me. Let me. If it's grave, enough Igbo, let me die with you.
You say you smoke cocaine, right?
Yes, I take cocaine, sir.
Plenty.
You can bring it and I will show you. Yes.
So where do you buy them?
I don't buy them. Politicians give to me.
Politicians give to you?
To tell them ideas. They bring fine girls in Abuja. I know many. Should I give you information, sir? Are you ready to die today?
Go ahead.
You are ready to die today?
Go ahead.
Should I give you the person's name?
Go ahead, yes.
If I die today, by 9 o'clock, and Jesus cannot save me, Allah cannot save me, Igbo man cannot save me, Ghana man cannot save me. If rock does not fall on Ghana, I do not see bomb, because I don't have bomb. I only have brain.
Okay, so I think the best thing to do is take you to psychiatric hospital.
Because I'm mad.
And I'm going to send this video to all the
US to kill me, or to Islamic to kill me.
All the Nigeria platforms.
They come and kill me this night.
So that I'm not everybody will see that our brother is not feeling well. So that,
shut up! I'm quiet. My mother is an ashawo.
So that we'll support
Mommy, you're an ashawo.
We'll
after my father died, I built house for you. And you brought a man to the house. Mommy, you're an ashawo.
So we'll do the best we can to rescue you, okay?
Rescue? Small boy like you want to rescue me. From Buhari, and you slap Buhari, small boy like you, I'm telling you.
Maybe would forgive me, but this one, no, I got laugh. This is funny. I bet who caught soap for this guy? This one, now wait till they call wrong soap being caught and given to the wrong person. All of you now, when they look for soap up and that continue, they look for soap. Also, you know, US is only US that can save him. That is he's a son of Israel. My brother, you're a son of Israel. Even Israel cannot save you now because Israel is in a serious war right now. Make una say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. Una know the ear. See, this one just cross border now. Bam. With this one wey una just watch, with this one wey una just watch, imagine our government, they say they want to legalize Igbo. Only this one, they never legalize am. See our brother. By the time they legalize am now, I don't know, children go start to beat their parents, everything go. This person need help. Una no go understand that until it happen. This guy needs help. Him dey used to Nigeria. Una no go understand, like e dey used to Nigeria weed. As he enter Ghana now, taste Ghana weed, he can't feel the difference. And una know say for Nigeria, if this guy dey Nigeria now, he do this kind thing wey he do, nobody go complain because it's normal. Everybody dey mad for Nigeria. As see now, when you enter another person country, you go know say we no correct for Nigeria. Now then you go feel the difference. Because for Nigeria, if you come out from Nigeria, they tell person say you dey craze. Nobody, you dey misbehave. Nobody, everybody go just let's see how weary. Yeah, they mad. No, Ghana, people for Ghana, they normal. Now see, they want legalize Igbo. No, just picture the next generation, I be the next face of Nigeria. Picture her. Oh, Chineke me, Nigeria. Nigeria has finished. Nigeria has finished. See, make una just forget. See, our government said they don't sit down, think. They don't even feel come across better idea. Now to legalize Indian hemp with the insecurity. No, look am. Oh yeah, make I even use this same guy. Our health facilities, they hater. They shout for help. Our health facilities, they beg for help. So how we want settle all these problems? How we want settle all these problems? Many times when these people don't promise us, we'll do this, we'll do that, we'll do this one. Till today we still dey wait. This guy now, he needs help. Where we want send and go? I beg. I don't know. I don't even know how I want put this one. But because if this is your son, you just watched him. If he's your son, you are related to him or you know his family member. I beg, tell them, make they go Ghana, go carry their pikin. Because as I see this one, they don't lock her up straight. Now don't say Ghana. Ghana people, they don't waste time. They will lock her up straight. So if you know her, go release your, what I even want to call herself, I don't know. Now him be this. So I say I must bring her come. I beg, say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. Una way they to say is medicinal, is this one. I know they against medicinal. Don't abuse it. Medicinal, if the medicinal, why you know they use it as drug, as normal medicine? Una go take am until you no feel waka again. Oh, now here we do. The next victim go still come. Government, I don't say una don't see this one. Legalization of drugs. Ngwanu, start to drop the comment for the comment section. But first of all, I want to know, you know am, abi you don't know am. All of una way, una know yourself. If you know am, better identify. I want to know how far with the guy. And still share this video, make our people know what they happen. No, they don't go show themselves again for Ghana. Very, very important. And click on that notification bell too. If not, you know go to get this kind of matter nowhere. Stay tuned for our next story.